If your NEET score is very low, and if you just got the eligibility, or maybe your NEET score is around 200 in that range, and you are very worried about your admissions, MBBS admissions, then this video is appropriate for you. I'll tell you the success story of one of our student. Her name is Simran Pawar. She is from Bangalore and her entire education is from Bangalore itself. But unfortunately, her NEET exam didn't go well. Once the result has been published, we got to know her NEET score is very low. She got just eligibility score. In that point of time, her parents become very disturbed. One day I called their parents in our office. I asked them that what they are planning for, whether they are looking for admissions in this year or they are looking for other courses, what is their plan? They told they are looking for only MBBS admissions and this year. They also told that they got many call from different organizations that in this code they will not get MBBS admission sure in this year. Also they got call from different agency also for booking of the seats. First I told them very clearly, sir, MBBS admission happens in India under the supervision of the government body who are the counseling authority. So entire admission happened according to the NEET rank of the candidate. So there is no role of the college in the entire counseling process. Once the allotment is done by the government counseling authority, then the college will have to take the admissions. In that way only the counseling process happen. Then I told them, according to their NEET score, what possibility they will be having and what could be the approximate budget, because in MBBS admission the budget is also an important factors. And when your NEET score is also very low, you cannot expect the private college in the budget of 40 lakhs, 50 lakhs, in that range. I clearly told them what could be the approximate budget for the entire 5 years, 5.5 years course, and at the time of admission, how much amount they have to pay. Then I told them that which all states they will be having the possibility. I asked them that which all state they are having interest, since they are from Bangalore. So they told they are interested in Karnataka, they are interested in Maharashtra or near neighboring state Tamil Nadu. According to their requirement, then I did the registrations in All India Counseling and few state counseling. I did their choice filling, and round one only they got allotment in one of the private college in Tamil Nadu. So if your NEET score is low also, if you are being counseled properly, then definitely you can also get the college without any hassle. Listen what Simran Pawar and her father is telling about our counseling services.
Hello, I'm Simran Michelle Pawar. I have completed my NEET in 2024 and I consulted CareerMudhra, and Ayan sir helped me a lot to go through this process after my results. He guided me step by step until I get into my college, and thank you Ayan sir for that. Thank you CareerMudhra too.
Okay, as a parents of Simran Pawar, I really thank Aryan sir to guide us in a very proper manner from end to end process, which he has guided us, starting from understanding which college we need to select based on the marks that Simran has got it, and then further let us know about the process in detail, and helping us in seat selection, college selection, I mean, and as well helping us in completing the required MCC process. So finally, we have got the college, Satya Sai Medical College, which is in Chennai. So thank you, Aryan sir and Career Mudra, for all your support and help provided to us. Thank you. Thanks a lot.